Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you an affiliate marketing opportunity that can pay you 25 USD per sales you made. As you know, on this channel Max TV, I show you different affiliate marketing opportunities and other strategies that can be helping you to make money online. Without wasting time, let's get started. As you can see, I'm using my computer. Also, you can either use your computer or your phone or devices which can access the internet, can be able to earn your passive income. So what I need to do, we're going to be opening this platform we're going to be using to make money online. This is called Kit. So you can type Kit or type kit.com, and also as you can see, once I type Kit, you can see they are bringing different explanations. However, I have kit.com. It's email first operating system for creators. What I need to do, how to open it. After opening it as a platform, you can see I'm directed to different details, including you can see for creators who mean business features. You can see there are different features. You can see their resources, which are blog, the availability, define it, am I a creator, the branding in public. You can see they have email templates, latest report, training, podcast, etc. So before I show you how you can be making money with affiliate marketing on this platform, let's first explore their pricing plan. As you can see, they have different pricing plans, and those pricing plans are the ones we will be using to make money online. You can see if I click on this pricing, I'm going to see different pricing sections they have in here. What you can see is that, which means if I'm going to be scrolling down, you can see they have different, you can see they are selling different email marketing strategies. So when you come here, let's for instance try to see how many email subscribers do you have. Here you want to be sending on email marketing, maybe email newsletter to your subscribers. Then they will be charging you, depends on also the amount of subscribers you have in your email. So for instance, once I adjusted this, you can see they are adjusting, depends on also the amount of email I'm having. So for instance, if I have 365,000 email subscribers, I'm going to be paying this amount per month. However, let's consider that we are having 0 email subscriber, or let's suppose that we have 10, and see how much amount of money you can be able to earn. So if I blink here, you can see I'm having 29, and also I have 59 USD. So this is per month, and also let's see how much amount of money you can be able to earn in affiliate marketing by using these pricing sections. As you know, in affiliate marketing, you always earn commission, depends on how many sales you have made through your link or through your affiliate ID. When I come here and so go to affiliate marketing, I have to scroll down and come and search for affiliate program. As you can see, if I scroll to the bottom, I have different details, including you can see about Kit's affiliate program. I have to click on affiliate program because it's the one I want to explore and show you how much money you can be able to make with this program. I have to click on it. Once I click on it, you can see it opens. After opening, it shows different categories, shows different also stage, different tiers that you'll be able to pass through, and also this define the amount of money you can be able to make with affiliate marketing on this platform. Here, if you want to apply, if you refer at least 10 customers per year, you will earn recurring revenue for the lifetime of that customer, as long as you retain at least bronze status. This is very important. So recurring commission also is very key, because you continue earning money as that person is using this service. Here, that was they say, if you refer to at least 10 customers, you'll be earning recurring commission on their payments. However, let's consider that you did not refer these 10 customers and see how much money you can be able to make with this affiliate marketing platform. We are having 50% for the first 12 months of every customer referred. Here is also where you are going to be starting, and also here is you don't need to start. When you come to bronze, that is where we have to refer 10 plus paying customers per year, and also for silver you refer 50 plus paying customers per year, and for gold you'll be referring 100 plus paying customers per year. That's in a single year. Let's see how much money we'll be able to make. Here we'll be earning this one 50% for the first 12 months. Here is the 55 the first 12 months, and also 50% for the first 12 months. Let's see if you have referred 10 plus paying customers in 1 year. That is why we're going to be earning 10 indefinitely after every referred customers first 12 months. That means after 12 months you'll be able to earn 10 indefinitely recurring commissions. Here you'll be able to earn 15 if you are in the silver tier. If you are in also gold tier, you'll be able to earn 20% of the recurring payments that have been made. Recurring commissions also apply to referred customers made on or after January 1st, 2024 who stay with a kit for beyond 12 months. So now let's try to calculate and see how much money you can be able to make. I'm having this one, and also we are having this pricing, and so let me try to open this pricing strategies or pricing plan. If we are having, for instance, we referred someone who is having this customer, it's also 50%. This one is having 0 subscribers, and you referred him. Also, is gonna be paying this package for 50 USD per month. That means if you are going to be dividing it by 2, we earn 50%. It's gonna be 25 USD. That's a big amount of money if you also have referred this person. Now let's suppose that you referred a customer, maybe a company which is also working or which is having a lot of subscribers, many subscribers, many email subscribers. Let's see how much money you can be able to make. For instance, I referred this one with 400,000 subscribers. I'll be able to make around 900 USD because it's 50% of the sales that you made or the customer that has been paid. As you can see, these are affiliate marketing. This is also the commission for 12 months. For instance, if you come here, this is going to be this amount per year. This can be paid billed per year. And also, let's now take only 1 month and see how much money you can be able to make. For instance, this person will not be purchasing this service for single month. That means you'll be earning also 50% commission. That is for 12 months, and also after the 12 months you can be able to earn recurring commission if you have also achieved one of these tiers. It's maybe 10%, 20%, 15%, depends on also the tier you are in. Now let's see if you are also on this customer who is having only 1,055 105,000 email subscribers. And also if you're gonna be earning which means on creator mode, if you're gonna be earning 50% of it, that's gonna be 400 and also 8 USD. You can be able to earn a per sale as a part of affiliate marketing. Let's see if you want to open an account on this platform. Also, maybe you have audience and you need to start also working as an affiliate or referring customers to be able to earn money. What you need to do, you need to click on this link for apply to join. So I have to click on it. After clicking on it, you can see I'm going to be directed to the platform where it's partnerstack.com. So I'm going to be there to the dashboard where I can be signing up and also fill all my details. Once I'm done with the application procedures, you can see Kit Affiliate application form. I have to fill out my name, my first name, my last name, my email address, my business name is mandatory, and also you need to fill out your website URL because they want also to check either you have enough audience to be using to promote these items, and also you have to add your main social media profile link. Maybe you have Instagram, you have Facebook, and others that you can use even to promote more. Here, why is Kit a good fit for your audience? You have to select. It depends on how do you plan to promote it. This is also where you have to select from. Are you a Kit user? If yes or no. Now select your country and also what is the region are you located in. Once done, you have to submit an application, and after this also you'll be waiting for the response. Once you are accepted in the program, you'll be able to start making money with also Kit.com or Kit Affiliate Marketing by selling this product or these email marketing services to to your customers. So thank you for watching this video. This is how you can be able to make money with this affiliate marketing network. We'll also continue showing you different affiliate marketing network and opportunities that you can use. If you are interested in doing affiliate marketing, you can see different options and different strategies that you can be using also to make your own affiliate marketing and also make a passive income from affiliate marketing networks which are existing. So remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'm Ramax TV. If you have any questions, remember to leave it in the comment section.